Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a how to keep your phone organized / keep it manageable for anyone. Anyone can use this, but I'm going to be doing it because I'm a fan page. I'm going to be showing you guys fan page examples, but anyone can do this with their apps because it's not solely for fan pages. But basically, I'm just going to be showing you guys some layouts that you can do, and I have a few in mind, but I'm not going to show you guys all of them. I will tell you guys the layouts I have in mind, but I won't necessarily show you guys all of them because I have a ton. So I'll show you maybe 2 or 3, but they're pretty simple, so I hope you guys understand. But let's get started. And also, don't mind my wallpaper. I just had to change it quickly because it was a photo of my friends and I didn't know if they would feel comfortable in being in my video. So yeah. And I'm also not going to add any widgets or anything because because that's going to take a lot of time. So you can personalize it based on your thing. So the first layout is what we're going to do is you're going to take all your apps, all your social media apps. So first I start with social media. So that's anything you use. I think that's about it. And also, don't mind the apps I have. We're gonna basically ignore them. So you're gonna put your social media apps, and then you're gonna put if you're a fan page, you probably have a lot of editing apps. You're going to get all your editing apps, so whichever ones you use. Okay, so make sure you only have about 1 page or 2 pages. Don't have 1.5 page of your apps because then it will be a weird layout. So I just did 1 page. So on 1 page I have all my social media type of apps, and on the other page I'll show you guys what we're gonna do. So for the other page you're gonna do utilities, for example settings, or app store, calculator, clock, find my iPhone, or anything any of these type of apps, or translator, just any of these non-social media editor type of apps. Okay, and so we have that, and you can just keep your social medias on one side, and then your utilities or apps that come with your phone on another page. And I'm just going to go ahead and set this so it looks decent. Okay, so I'm back, and I just put my apps, I just put some widgets there just to spice it up, I guess, so it's not as boring and as plain. So if you guys couldn't tell, I try to color sort this, so it's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, purple, and just weird colors. Some of them aren't placed properly because when I was doing the widgets, they moved around, but it's fine. But this one, I'd say looks pretty rainbowish, right? Red, there's no orange, so yellow, green. That's kind of blue. No, it's not. Anyways, it's rainbow, okay? And then on the last page, we have the black, the white, these are all rainbow, and then this is dark. Yeah, I just added random widgets to make it look like it. So, yeah. And you can place these anywhere you'd like. So now let's move on to the second layout. Okay, so for this page, what you can do is you can put all your like folders or all your apps in folders. So I just sorted it by color, but then there wasn't like enough like folders to fill the whole page. So you would need 12, I think 4, 8, 12, yeah, 12 folders to fill a page. And I just put a widget at the top and a widget at the bottom. I'm honestly putting the randomest widgets I can find because I hadn't made any. Why does it say January 27th though? I don't know, it's not even January 27th, but oh well. Yeah, so here is the second one, and for the last one, what I'll just tell you guys, but it is basically to keep all the apps, like all your main apps on one page, and then all your other apps can be in your app library or on a separate page. So all like your main apps that you use throughout the day, which can be a mixture of any, like Google Maps, TikTok, Snapchat, any, and just put them on one page, and then the rest can be on other pages. But yeah, those were 3 layouts that I had in mind for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!